5:30 afternoon. Even like that, and still holding. I cannot hammer it. I cannot come, let us say, from back and start hammering it. If you hammer it, it's like you're hammering the crankshaft. I cannot hammer this way. I cannot hammer the other way. Hair, come on, it's coming out now. Finally, dual mass flywheel out. The crankshaft, it is disaster.
You remove the engine?
And definitely it won't gonna come here, the new dual mass flywheel, as it is. Okay, the reading wheel will gonna change obviously because I drill it. You can see that. I'm gonna remove it now. Yeah. Okay. This from me. I reach here with a drill. That's why you see these small things. This one, it's not mine. This, it is mine. If you see here, has imperfections here, here, here. Here, I didn't touch it at all the way around here. Okay, what I mean, I didn't touch it at all. I'm gonna show you now. That's the reading wheel, forget it. See where I drill it. Watch where I drill it. These were stepping on the crankshaft, and here where I drill, it was not stepping. Wow! I like that I put the rag over there to don't fall down. And guess what? I throw it down. Yeah. So you see where I was drilling it. Outer. It's not safe, it's not gonna be okay if I put the dual mass flywheel on this, except the fact that it's not gonna come inside. It won't gonna enter inside of this. It's impossible. This maybe need to machine it, fill it up and machine it again. I don't know. But definitely like that, it cannot go dual mass flywheel. I'm going to continue with MA57. That's it for now. We're gonna see how we're gonna end up this one now.